Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Efuru. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze All Over Luminizer in the shade Guilty number 79. And I also have the Marc Jacobs Velvet Naya Volume Mascara in the shade Naya. And if you would like to see how these products apply, please keep on watching. I'm gonna get into the mascara first. I already did my makeup off camera, so I am gonna do my mascara. This is such a beautiful packaging. It is the same formula in here as the other Velvet Naya mascaras. However, I do love the new packaging, and I was out of mascara.
Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
As you see, the mascara applied lovely as always. It's the same formula in this new packaged Marc Jacobs Velvet Naya mascara. And I'm gonna move along to the Omega Glaze All Over Luminizer. This is the same luminizer that was released 2 years ago. I actually have it here. It's in a different package, but they are the exact same color. They are both in the shade Guilty number 79. So I just thought I mentioned that if you do have this one, it's the exact same shade, just a different packaging. Let me just get into the package. Oh my goodness, such a pretty packaging with the cherry on the top. This is lovely, guys. I hope my camera is picking it up, how beautiful this is. The back is green as well. And in the palette, you get your mirror on this side, and you get your beautiful foil luminizer. This is the protector. Beautiful product in here. So I'm gonna put it next to the other one just so you can see that they are the exact same color. I'm actually gonna swatch it as well so you can see they're exactly the same shade. This is the luminizer that was released 2 years ago, also in the shade Guilty. Such a pretty packaging as well. I still love this very much. And this is the new package. So next to each other, this is how they're looking. And let me open it so I can show you that they are the same exact shade in here. You can see the same exact shade is in here. So I'm just gonna swatch it.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand.
So that's them, the exact same shade, number 79, Guilty. I am gonna apply some to my cheek area as I didn't use any luminizer today. I am of course going into the new pan. Such a lovely, lovely color. If this is new to you, definitely get it. Hi, baby.
Hey,
What's up?
nothing. Just calling to check in.
I'm cool. I'm doing a review actually. I'm recording.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, I'll talk to you later.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just wanted to say hey. I didn't hear your voice all day.
All right, love you, baby. I'll call you right back.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a whirl. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
Golden, beautiful, beautiful shade. And I swatched them just to show you that they are the exact same color. It's nothing different about this new release Marc Jacobs all over body luminizer in the color number 79, Guilty. Just the packaging, it's up to you if you want it. I mean, I have it and I still got it because I know it is beautiful product in here. Mascara has already been released, maybe in 3 different packaging. I have it in polka dot, I have it in black, and I also have it now in this green package. It is amazing, amazing mascara. The formula is great, which is the reason why I continue to reorder it as they change the package. And the same goes for the all over body luminizer. It's beautiful, beautiful packaging. The product is amazing. It is actually my favorite body luminizer to use. $49 on the Marc Jacobs website. And these are talc free highlighters, which I love. I believe I spent about $29 for the mascara. I'm gonna leave direct links to all of these items in my description box. If there's anything at all that I didn't mention about these two new Marc Jacobs products, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.